Oh. Because I'm trying to save it for later. I'm gonna be hungry later. Oh, young lady. Oh shit, turn the car on. Turn the car on, back this shit up. I wanna see this shit. I ain't playing. That shit look cool as shit. So that shit gonna look like hexagons when you turn this shit on.
Pretty much.
Oh, that's cool. Yeah, hey. Yeah. Don't include the audio.
Gotta have commentary. Nah, you already know what song he finna play. Rip me out the plastic, I've been acting brand new. You wanna turn it on real quick and see what it look like? From that side?
Hurry up. What the L for? Well, you got the L right here. Oh, it's stuck. Y'all can peel that bitch up. Everybody know that's the left side.
Frank, stand closer to the car to block out the sun. Yeah.
It's good enough. You right here with it. Nah, we want to see a white. Make it back up.
Make it back up. Well, you might want to stand back now because he about to back up.
You said what? Said what? Oh, yeah, they talking about this motherfucking back light. This shit look cool. Why this shit ain't white? The turn signal.
He gotta flick the turn signal.
I want this shit to be white. Why the hell ain't that white? Alright, so can we keep it yellow though? How we gonna see?
That's the turn signal, nigga.
Alright, take a picture and make sure it's the yellow part on.